Hey guys, it's Sandeep from RevAtlas and welcome back to yet another video, and today we are reviewing wired earphones after a really long time, and these are the Beyerdynamic Byrd earphones, which are now available at a discounted price of Rs 9,999, which makes it one of the best earphones under Rs 1,000, and in this video I'll explain why. Now before we get this started, please do make sure to hit the subscribe button and also turn on notifications for more videos like this. Now let's begin the video. Now for all of you audiophiles out there, you might be aware of the brand Beyerdynamic, which is considered to be one of the best brands when it comes to delivering high quality sound. And another thing that's usually associated with the brand is their higher than usual pricing because of the sound quality as well as overall build and design that they give at any given price point. Now these Byrds themselves were having a retail price of Rs 2,199, but the current price of Rs 999 makes them really worth the price. Let me start by talking about the design itself, and these earphones come with a plastic housing that has good build quality, but of course plastic and the overall build itself does not feel really premium. But then again, at the asking price, I don't think you can expect more. In terms of the fit and comfort, these are great for long durations of listening, regardless of whether you're playing games, listening to music, or watching videos or movies as well, and the angular fit is excellent in terms of actually staying in your ear. Even with rigorous head shakes or actually tugging on the cables themselves, these do not actually come off your ear, and as a result they're actually good even for working out, except that they don't really have an IP rating, so there might be a chance that it could get damaged, but I think you should be safe for the most part. Now the conical shaped ear tips fit well and don't fall off like I mentioned, but I personally felt that they don't give great sound isolation. At least in my case, I felt that there was more noise coming out from outside than I would have liked. Now coming back again to the fit and comfort, I would like to mention that my wife also tried these and she loved the fit and comfort of this, and usually most earphones fall off a ear, but this one stayed well in place, so that's hats off to Beyerdynamic for that, because it's a very rare occurrence this. Now the wire itself is great and it comes in this contrasting orange color along with the black, and it goes really well and stands out from the crowd of white and black and blue sort of earphones, and it's durable as well as tangle free, at least for the most part, because I did manage to tangle it in some rare instances, but at least it does not tangle up to an extent where you spend several minutes trying to detangle it. Now these are very light and is suitable for listening both on the go as well as at home, and I also felt that the overall sound quality was very balanced, and this is one of the things that I really liked about it. But the same point could also be a deal breaker for some of you out there. Now I know that many in this particular price segment are looking for something that has that extra punch or bass, and this is very balanced in that respect, and of course if you're someone who wants that, I would not recommend these. But if you're someone who enjoys the balanced sound signature, then this is one of the best out there, and I tried it with the Poco M2 Pro and I found it really good in terms of the overall audio quality. Now one thing I would have liked is the actual volume, because these are a bit more difficult to drive, and even the Poco M2 Pro found it difficult to actually pump up the volume, especially due to the higher impedance. Now overall, as a earphone under 1,000 rupees, I personally prefer the balanced sound signature, so I would say that this is my favorite amongst all the other wired earphones available right now. But if you're someone who wants more punchier bass, then I would say there are many other options that you could look for, but in terms of actually a balanced sound signature, these are great for gaming, it's good for music, it's good for videos, and it's also overall a very good package at the asking price. These also come with a 2-year warranty, which is the icing on the cake, and if you want to buy this, I will include a link in the description as well. Thanks for watching this video. See you again in the next one. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button.